much a stunt show. It took us 2 hours in the torrential downpour to get here. We had to ride over a lot of rain. A lot of hydroplaning, but we made it here safe, and bikes look like they're going to be incredible. I'll make sure to get lots of footage.
Running in the sand, living on the land. The salty breeze was in our eyes. We stood beneath the dragonflies and danced.
We have the motorcycle stunt show going on in front of us. They're riding Kawasaki's.
It's been a great deal. We polished all the chrome on a rusty little home. We slept all night in parking lots. We tied our hearts in double knots, so tight, so free, so bright. Remember when we were just cherubs in our tender skins, waiting patiently for love. So free, blowing in the breeze. The songs we sung so long ago, with whiskey and an afterglow, we shine like new. But there along the way, something seemed to change. Weeks turned into months, we knew. As life caught up, we slowly grew apart.
I really like the paint color. This one's really nice too, though, the blue one. Go anywhere.
Remember when we were just cherubs in our tender skins, waiting patiently for love.
Uh-oh, where's the sound effects? Vroom vroom! I can put it on, it looks super buff. It's cool looking. It looks really cool. It'd be cool if they changed color. They're like, oh, like that. Those are really cool. Vermilion color changing LED strip lights. Okay, we just finished the 2010 International Motorcycle Show. Not what I expected at all. It had a great deal of new bikes. It didn't have a lot of vintage bikes or show bikes. And I did not find a single decal. You know, and that's what I was hoping to get, was a really cool decal for the bike Todd's were doing for me. But, oh well, it was fun. Good days. Bye.
Running in the sand, living on the land. The salty breeze was in our eyes. We stood beneath the dragonflies and danced all night. We polished all the chrome on a rusty little home.